What is going on, Scorpion Trading Team? It's your boy back with another video, and today we are going to be going over market analysis on SPY and break down everything that's going on. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so when we're looking at the 1 minute time frame on the charts SPY, we can see we had a sharp sell-off right around 12 p.m. and then we got a nice bounce back and a major squeeze at the end of the day. We squeezed up and got a bunch of momentum towards the up and pretty much killed all the bears that were trying to pull the market down. So when we're looking at this, you can see we have support at 434.4, and we got resistance at 437.3, not even 0.3, like 0.45, right around there. And yeah, so we got support right there, resistance right there. If we look on the 5-minute chart throughout the week, we've been breaking the support, but then it goes right back below. If you look today, we tested support and we went right to resistance, which that's a good sign for SPY going forward. And in my opinion, we should be able to expect to see some more pumps like we did yesterday on Tuesday. If you look on Tuesday, we had a nice rally up and the market just loved it and didn't sell. So hopefully we could get that going on Friday. If we look today, there was a lot of news. We had Jerome Powell speak this morning, and with Chairman Powell, he said more interest rate hikes are possible. So what that means is he's going to raise interest rates, which in turn that's not good for the economy, because that's going to cause banks' interest rates to increase, because when banks borrow money from each other, the interest rate goes up, and that's the amount that they got to pay back. And if you look, President Biden talked about the economy in his speech this afternoon, arguing that a recession could be avoided, which that is a good thing for the market. And we got President Joe Biden talking a bunch of talk about bullish events, and he's seeming pretty hawkish, trying to make the market rally, which that's a good thing. And if we look, you can see that SPY, it was down on Wednesday, and if it closed down, but we really didn't, because if you look when we quote unquote closed down today, it was like it wasn't down. We closed up today. I don't know why the news is saying we closed down, but yeah, let's look at the options chain. So for now we can see that there's a lot more puts going on. There's 14 million total puts right here, and we only have 6.2 million total calls. And what that means is that the retail traders more likely think that the market's going to go down. And so this week on Friday, we have nearly 2 million puts expiring, 1.8 out of the money. That's a lot. And on Friday as well, we have only 500,000 calls expiring. So just be on the lookout for that. We got a lot more puts than calls on Friday this week. Like usual, lately we've been seeing a lot more puts than calls, and who knows how that's going to drive the price. We could see a lot happen. Today we had the mortgage applications and all this stuff about mortgages, and all that data looked pretty good. It was actually fairly above what the consensus was going to be, which that's a good thing. And yeah, so it looks like our economy is holding up pretty well. Tomorrow we have Chairman Powell speaking at 2:30 p.m. Washington time, so be on the lookout for that. If you also look, we got all these all this stuff coming out tomorrow. We got the initial jobless claims, real consumer spending, jobless 4-week average claim, So just be on the lookout for all that. If this date is good, we could see a nice potential rally tomorrow and coming into Friday. So who knows? Just be on the lookout for that. You never know. And Friday, we have core price index coming out. We got Michigan PMI, just a bunch of stuff about price index and pretty much inflation and measuring how inflation is right now. So yeah, let's go back to the charts right now. Um, in my opinion, the markets, they're looking fairly bullish. Like we just tested the resistance like in the low 430s, and right now we're on a slow uptrend right back up to previous highs that we were at the other week. So don't be surprised if you see SPY trying to make new highs and continue to keep pushing up. We have strong support, and I don't see us falling. So yeah, with that out of the way, I hope you guys have a great trading day tomorrow and the rest of this week. And please like and subscribe on the video. It really helps out more than you know. And have